and ball and all rhyme. Remember that the rhyming words in a poem are usually found at the end of a sentence.
Terror. When anyone mentions my name, I'm bored with my bad reputation for being a miserable brute and being routinely expected to brazenly pillage and loot. I wish that I weren't repulsive, despicable, ruthless, and fierce, with talons designed to dismember and fangs finely fashioned to pierce. I've lost my desire for doing the deeds any dragon should do. But since I can't alter my nature,